substantial pasta salad here, very healthy and delicious. I mixed bulgur with pasta here and added some pickled peppers. Very summery, lovely and easy. I've ended up with a huge portion here, so I'm giving away a big bowl of it. The measurements I give you in the description are for a huge party size bowl, I would say. So maybe you want to reduce them a bit. Here I am cooking pasta and I'm adding some dry thyme to bulgur as it cooks. The biggest salad bowl I have, mixing the bulgur and pasta. Pasta is al dente. Perfect. It's a bit under seasoned everything, but we will sort it, no problem. And I'm going to chop and mix everything separately in a separate bowl now, because pasta and bulgur will take long time to cool down, so not to waste any time. A couple of green peppers, half of a red onion I have here, and a few tomatoes, very ripe. I would rather have the cherry tomatoes because these are a bit too juicy actually for our purposes. Nevertheless, whatever we have we use. So I chop everything in not too smaller pieces. And a few of those pickled peppers I have here, they're kind of sharp-ish, soury, but not at all hot. That I would not like. Mix as you go a handful of Kalamata black olives, a good amount of black pepper and some salt. We want the salad taste quite intense, I would say. And my favorite thing, gorgeous, tangy, creamy, crumbly, lovely feta. I think everything in this bowl goes together so well. And of course we can't do without a lemon. Half a lemon approximately went in. Quick mix, and now a good 2 handfuls of rocket. I roughly chop it and then I fluff up my bulgur and pasta, which is practically cold now. It took a long time. And I mix rocket in. I pour away extra liquid. We don't want the salad to be soggy. Some good extra virgin olive oil. And now let's mix everything together and see what else needed here, if that. Pretty perfect, just some extra rocket and black pepper. And some black pepper.